Hi, this is John with Fix It Planet. Today I just want to do a quick walkthrough tour of our shop. And this is looking up from outside. As we come upstairs, we can go inside. As we come in through the front door, we can see our front office area. And there's Cassandra. She helps answer the phones, does a lot of administrative work, shipping and receiving, purchasing, all kinds of stuff. She can also book a cruise for you if you like. So we do have a security system. There's a one of the cameras. We have 4 cameras set up in different areas. Just come down this little hallway and we can look in and see our kitchenette. We got a little refrigerator, microwave, a sink. We also have a bunch of filing cabinets and our main fuse box and water dispenser and copier and some more shipping material. And as we come into the back, we can see this is where I do all of the repairs. This is my nerd cave. We have a few accessories hanging on the wall right there. And this whole area evolves quite a bit over time, so this will for sure change. People can come in here and sign in and drop off their stuff for repair. And we have this large monitor here, a couple of 17-inch monitors on this bench. All of that is connected and can be used for desktops, gaming systems, or whatever. This bench mostly is just for signing people in, taking in devices, printing tickets and invoices, taking payments. We've got a Bose sound system with a big giant subwoofer over there behind us under another bench. This little cabinet has some scrap, so donor phones, tablets, headphones, etc. That computer is being worked on. Got a couple extra cameras up there. Got some more junk under here. Got ZXW tool open up for some sort of repair. We've got some devices here waiting on parts. Got another cabinet there full of parts. Some donor boards down there. It's the main fuse box for our security cameras. There's another 20-inch monitor there for desktops and such. And we've got the security cameras on that monitor, some extra testing equipment and tools. Got a bunch of stuff out on the bench here in progress. Got a big 18-inch hot plate there. And got another little bench supply there. And oscilloscope, fume extraction, another 20-inch monitor for my main desktop, microscope with camera. We've got soldering station, hot air station, another bench supply, hot tweezers, Crest ultrasonic, bunch of completed tickets, and a few things still waiting to be picked up or shipped out. Got some high pressure air there, hot gun, Dremel tool, got a bunch of little pry tools and other things, probes, etc. You can see my multimeter. That's the one I use most of the time. So my main microscope there, and the other one I use for inspection. It's my main monitor there for the main desktop. Got a few USB meters back there. Anyway, just thought I'd do a quick walkthrough. Hopefully you found this interesting, and we will evolve over time. Like I said, this does change pretty frequently. We'll get bigger benches, etc., and so on. And we hope you found this interesting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.